Happy birthday, Era May Ruela and C. Laguna. Happy 29th birthday. 29th birthday. I cannot remember the very first day we started riding, or I started riding with your auntie. Padulong uli because, traffic in Talisa is so crazy and nigpauli na to from CIT. Sakay kaayo ang mga oras, inigpadong na to uli. But the most unforgettable moment that I shared with you was when we didn't know what time your auntie was going home. And then, niuli ta. But wala tayo masakyan because I think it was there. I think it was the fiesta in Pardo. And then, dugi kita kasakay, so we had to walk. And then as we were walking, padulong Talisay, nato sa Pardo ato nga time, your auntie Nalu, she texted, or I think she called that time, and then nanaganta. We ran from Pardo Church until sa maabta na to sila sa gasolinahan where they were waiting for us, and then hanga kaayo ato nga time. But we ran. We were laughing while running because we were in a hurry. No? So, moto siya. And also, recent memory, or recent occurrence, kay imong pagsigigsan og mga dark humor on Instagram and hindi pinalampas even on Facebook. So, kana. So, I hope you never change. I hope you would, even if we're 30 na, or 31, 32, ako, I still have 4 years before ko mula pa sa kalendaryo. Ampot lang nimo. Ampot lang ninyo. But yeah, I hope you never change and that you would still keep, or you would keep on sending me those dark humor videos because they're so fun. And I know nga, mo na ato ang, what do you call this? Connection. Ato ang bond. The dark humor. No? We understand each other. Labi na sa mga buta. Remember that. And I hope nga magminyo na ka, Era, because wala to'y lami ang andoks nga lechon baka. Dapat makatry gid mi sa lechon baka nga legit. Okay? So, happy birthday. I hope, on a serious note, I hope that you live longer and that you'll have more candles to blow and, you achieve whatever dream nga naapa or wala pa rin mo na-achieve. And then I hope and pray na we'll still be friends even until matiguang ta. So, kana lang. I know this is a very long message, but I have a lot to say. So, happy birthday once again.